And next up we have Mr. Shantha Vijay, who will be speaking on the topic Emerging Payment Solutions. Mr. Vijay comes with more than 10 years of rich experience in the payments industry, and his career also boasts a successful stints at ICICI Bank and American Express. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Mr. Shantha Vijay from Acton.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The presentation basically is to give you a sneak peek into the future of what you can expect in the industry of payment processing. Okay, there are a couple of pointers that I have listed down, and probably these are certain things for me to report for. These are certain segments that will be picking up and will be a lot of value addition to your current business. Multi-bank EMIs, the point of sale, there's a lot of revolution happening across on point of sale. Wallets, these are all talking about prepaid wallets, mobile payments or mobile based payments, tap payments, and integrated payment solutions. To talk more about multi-bank EMI. Now, EMI has been in existence from the time cards were issued. Okay, but most of the EMIs were run on an honest model, wherein the issuer and the acquirer was the same. But going forward, platforms were built wherein, irrespective of the issuer, you can process a transaction and offer EMI to the card member. This model has been successfully implemented in the POS scenario for the physical stores, and in fact from last April, April 2012 was the first big bang that happened. If you recollect the Own Now campaign of Samsung. So that's one of the biggest success stories of EMI, wherein they have clocked more than 15,000 transactions in a single month on EMI, which was not there for them earlier. They were doing a good volume on the physical store side, but e-commerce was a big game changer for them. Followed by iPhone. iPhone also had launched EMI program with Reliance, and now it's Nokia. What multi-bank EMI platform offers you, or EMI option per se offers you, or the end customer, is the ability to stretch and buy a higher value product. You as a retailer would want to have higher volume, which results in higher returns. So this is one big tool for you to exploit and get high value purchases. We have seen a lot of wallet based wallets coming up right now. A lot of customers, merchants who are offering e-commerce merchants ask you to save their card with the card details there. So this basically is a wallet that they're creating for you. Now there are certain advantages that as a retailer you would have by offering these kind of services. You are basically creating stickiness of your customer, because for him, the next time he comes to purchase, it's a seamless transaction for him, because it's a combination of express checkout and a prepaid wallet. This also helps the customer decrease his risk, because he's not exposing his card or typing out his card number on the internet every time he does a transaction. Now you are slowly building up your own loyal customer base. You can work on running a lot of loyalty programs and VAS-oriented programs for them. POS, payments have started, card acceptance started by using a physical paper years back. Moving on to launching POS, we had a PSTN machine evolved into a GPIOS terminal. Now you have integrated POS terminals, you have MPOS, which is a new thing that has been launched in India, and it's growing pretty well. Good acceptance for that. The benefit to either the acquiring bank per se is reduced capex, and for you as a retailer would be it comes. It's very handy, very easy to use, and it is secure as well. Mobile payments, mobile-based payments or tag payments as we call it, is going to be the next big thing. IMPS is a new payment system that has been launched by NPCI. IMPS is immediate payment system. Now, you would have heard of NEFT and RTGS modes of payment, wherein they work as per the RBI clearing timing. But IMPS is one service which is 24/7, 365 days. This will facilitate real-time credit to a person's account. Like I can transfer funds from my ICICI Bank account to your, assuming Axis Bank account by just sending an SMS. The same system has been integrated for the online stores through different channels. It could be IVR, it could be mobile app, or it could be online e-commerce. Same. This facility also gives your customer a much more, I would say, a far better experience in doing the transaction, because in a normal net banking transaction you have multiple hops. You need to put in your user ID, password, transaction password, and different other passwords. But this is a single page process wherein you just have to enter your MMID and your MPIN, and the transaction is through. You would also be seeing entry of NFC based payments. NFC is near field communication. You would, these are more like a tap and pay kind of a thing. You would also see RFID mode of payments launching in India. It would be more I'm sure most of you have traveled abroad and seen in Dubai or Europe or Singapore, where you just have to buy a single RFID toll card and you can pass through any toll that comes across your highways without even stopping for it. So these are all the future of payment. And last but not the least, the service providers or channel agnostic integrated payment solutions is what will be the future. Now, going to all the retailers are now actually looking at an omni-channel kind of scenario where you not only exist in the brick and mortar part, but also on the online and mobile app and all that. And you can probably extend your services or your kiosk code. So a service provider which has integrated all these options and also give you integrated reports is what is going to be the future. Thank you.
Hi. Can you please tell me the limit on the IMPS payment? Limits in the sense of limits on the values?
Yeah. See, IMPS, there are two types. One is a P2P and a P2M. P2P is basically person-to-person transfer, and the limits are based on the mode of payment. If you're doing through SMS based, then the limit is 5,000. If you're doing through the online, the limits are a little higher. It's about 50,000. Thank you.